Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today, we will discuss DTC P1683, which indicates a throttle valve default position spring performance problem for the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is part of the powertrain control module fuel injector PGM-FI system, which regulates the throttle valve operation and its default position. Within this system, the throttle body plays a crucial role as it controls the air intake into the engine, influencing engine performance and fuel efficiency. The throttle valve is activated based on input from the accelerator pedal and other sensors, ensuring precise control over the engine's power output. If the throttle valve does not return to its default position correctly, it can result in adverse performance issues. This is why understanding and addressing the P1683 code is critical for maintaining optimal vehicle operation. The throttle valve is a vital component located within the throttle body housing. Its primary function is to regulate the air intake into the engine, which in turn influences engine performance, acceleration, and fuel efficiency. When the throttle valve operates properly, it opens and closes in response to the driver's input via the accelerator pedal. However, if there is an issue with the throttle valve's default position spring, it may not return properly after being actuated, leading to DTC P1683. This malfunction can cause poor engine performance, erratic acceleration, or even stalling if not addressed. Given its crucial role, the throttle valve must maintain a precise position to ensure optimal airflow and engine responsiveness at all times. Therefore, identifying issues related to the throttle valve is essential for overall engine performance. Several factors can lead to the P1683 error code. First, a faulty throttle body may not allow the valve to return to its default position, affecting air intake. The spring mechanism, which is responsible for returning the throttle valve, may also be damaged or worn out, causing it to malfunction. Additionally, poor electrical connections or loose terminals at the throttle body and the powertrain control module, PCM, can impede communication and cause performance issues. Corrosion or loose wiring should be inspected to ensure reliable functionality. If any of these potential causes exist, they can result in the DTC P1683 being triggered, requiring further diagnostic and repair actions. Understanding these causes is important in developing a targeted approach for troubleshooting the issue effectively. When facing the P1683 error, several symptoms may manifest, alerting the driver to potential issues. Erratic engine performance may occur, characterized by unpredictable power delivery and responsiveness during acceleration. Drivers may notice delayed acceleration or hesitation, which can make driving difficult or unsafe. Additionally, a check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard as a direct indication of the DTC being triggered. These symptoms signal that the throttle valve and its accompanying systems are not functioning optimally, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. Being aware of these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnostics and repairs to maintain vehicle reliability and performance. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P1683, you begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's systems to activate. Next, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, you should clear any existing DTCs. Once cleared, you may start the engine, ensuring that the vehicle is in park or neutral according to the transmission type. It is essential to hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load until the radiator fan activates. This action allows the system to go through its operational checks thoroughly. After the fan engages, let the engine idle for a moment. This process helps in creating a baseline for the system to identify any ongoing issues. Following this step, ensure you turn the vehicle back to the off mode before proceeding. In the second step, begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode. This action ensures safety as you will be working close to the throttle body. Next, disconnect the intake air duct from the throttle body to gain clear access. After that, gently push the throttle valve closed using your hand. This action simulates a closed throttle condition to check if the valve can return to its default position reliably. It is a critical step in verifying the mechanical integrity of the throttle assembly and the effectiveness of the returning spring. Observing the throttle's response is crucial in determining if the underlying issue causing DTC P1683 lies within the throttle body assembly itself. Therefore, it is paramount to proceed with caution and accuracy in this diagnostic step. Upon releasing the throttle valve, you need to observe whether it returns to its default position smoothly. This response is integral in determining the health of the throttle body mechanism and the spring performance. If the throttle valve returns correctly, the next step is to clean the throttle body as part of preventive maintenance. Accumulated carbon deposits can affect its operations, potentially leading to future issues, including the reappearance of DTC P1683. However, if the valve does not return properly, it's a clear indication that the spring mechanism or throttle body itself is at fault, necessitating replacement. Therefore, the outcome of this check directly informs the next steps in resolving the DTC and ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. After performing necessary repairs, it is essential to verify the effectiveness of these actions against DTC P1683. Begin by checking for any confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. This process will show if the systems are functioning properly post-repair. After verifying the DTC status, reset the systems and clear any recorded codes to ensure no residual effects from previous faults. Upon completion of these steps, proceed to test drive the vehicle under typical conditions. During the test drive, monitor for any abnormal behavior or recurrence of symptoms that may indicate unresolved issues. This verification phase closes the loop on the troubleshooting process to confirm that the repairs have successfully resolved the issues associated with the throttle valve. To prevent recurrence of DTC P1683, implementing a regular maintenance schedule is key. One important preventive measure is to clean the throttle body periodically, as carbon deposits can form over time, affecting performance. Inspecting electrical connections at both the throttle body and the powertrain control module, PGM, can also help ensure reliable functioning, as loose or corroded terminals may lead to intermittent faults. It's advisable to keep an eye on potential software updates for the engine control unit, which can enhance performance and address known issues. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the lifespan of components, but also helps maintain optimal engine performance. Implementing these preventive measures fosters vehicle reliability and can save on costly repairs in the long run. In summary, DTC P1683 is a crucial indicator of potential throttle valve issues affecting the engine performance of the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Understanding the symptoms and causes provides insight into the mechanical systems at play and underscores the need for timely diagnostics and repairs. The troubleshooting steps detailed allow for a thorough examination of the throttle body and its related components. Regular maintenance practices, such as cleaning the throttle body and checking connections, play a significant role in preventing future issues and ensuring that the vehicle remains safe and reliable. In essence, staying proactive with mechanical upkeep is not only beneficial, but necessary for the continued efficiency of your Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.